going on? Todd Shaw with another episode of Sawdust Dude. Woo! Hey, appreciate you watching. Hey, we got a chip in the hardwood floor, and it's right in front of a doorway. I'll show you in just a second. Homeowner doesn't want to replace the board, just fix it, patch it, whatever you want to call it. So, you know, anytime you do a patch job, you want to get close. It's hard to do 100% where you make it go away. But, you know, and two, we always know where to look. But one of the big things on any kind of repair is just you want to fool the eye, just so the eye doesn't kind of pick it up and know where to look. So that's always the goal in this. So we're going to use some different products and got to do a little build out, but let's get started. Okay. Well, here we are. Pretty easy to see that one, and it's right in front of the door. So it's pretty big, pretty deep hole right there. And use wood filler, it never really blends in really well, but we will start out using MinWax colored match. This is a natural, this is a natural one. They do make one in the oak, which this is oak floor. But we're gonna build out, and then we're gonna finish it up with the with these sticks I've used in other videos, Mohawk wood filler sticks or fill sticks, and we'll kind of blend that in and then use some markers to finish it off. But let's get started. We're going to shoot this in here. Something really about like that. I'm going to shoot it back in that hole really good. And I could use the end of my... And I'm gonna let that sit up, and so let that get firm, and then we'll go back in with our fill sticks. All right, got the wood filler all set up in there now, and we're gonna use our little fill stick here, and drop that in there. All right, let that cure up. Filled in nicely. We'll just take our towel and kind of polish it out. Kind of use the tip of my finger too to get it where I want it to be. Angle here, you can see how that filled in real well. Now this is where the little markers come in. And I can color in some of this and then make some lines in there just to try to blend it in. once again, there we go. We got that filled in. It looks better than a black hole in there. Like I said, customer, she's happy with it. And as we go along there, like I said, we know where it is, but once again, there was our mark right there. And looking back, we got another happy customer. So that's the kind of fill sticks there. Does a good job on all kind of little holes. All right, well, once again, that was the Mohawk brand Pro markers, the little smaller fine line markers, and the fill sticks. Great products from Mohawk, good on furnitures. I've even used it on click and lock vinyl flooring, and so it does little nicks and good repairs there. So check out those products. If you got a hole in your floor, that's what you need to do. A cool deal. Hey, I appreciate you watching another episode of The Sawdust Dude, and I hope to see you real soon. Remember, better skills for better results. Oh yeah.